This is why I like taking public transportation from time to time, yo. Cause the shit you be seeing out here. Yo, I'm telling you, this shit crazy out here in the street, bro. I can't take this shit every day. But when I do, this shit be entertaining as fuck. This is the shit you be seeing on public transportation. They got the nerve to be moving them ashes just to fuck around, you know. Like he was kicking bags of flour this morning before he stepped out the house.